Alright, so tornado drill is in effect, and everyone here is in the 2A hall. There is my room, which I'm not supposed to be in. So yeah, I'm making a video just in case we all die.
But then if your laptop gets smashed, it's still gone.
It won't be though.
You know, upload it.
Maybe.
So on the name.
Whatever.
Ritz crackers.
Ritz crackers. Gosh, I haven't had food in our room for like ever. I finished off all my food like a week ago, and I haven't bought any since. There, some of our wonderful Forrest students. Say what? Yeah, I'm in this room. Whoa.
Hey, if the Lord wants me to go, then I'll go.
Amen.
So I want to do it in my sleep.
Everybody say hi to your mamas just in case we all die.
Hi, Mom.
Alright, so one of y'all love your mama. Cool deal.
We're not going to die.
I'm gonna die.
That's usually the first person to die. The person says we're not going to die.
No, it's usually... No.
I'm ready to go.
You know the second guy to die is, right?
The black guy.
It isn't a scary movie, that's true, but
We're going. Fat guy usually the first.
Fat guy?
You know it's the truth.
Maybe second.
Any movie you don't see, the black guy always the first one to die.
Well, no, isn't normally the first person to die the chick who shows her... She's normally the first to die.
Exactly. The dad dies first.
Call, man. Good call.
I don't think that's...
That's right. Look at all the
What
James-
movie does the dad die?
I just watched it.
I like many.
He was like the second.
The Ring, but that's a different kind of movie.
I
What?
didn't want us to freaking fly in the war with you guys.
Shower cap?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't have any idea. Oh, I can't figure that. Check this out. Obviously. Oh, what's that?
Don't get me. Dude, no, don't do that. Who's looking at this?
It's just a video I'm making.
What's up?
You're wearing a shower cap.
Why?
We prefer the term as a curl moisturizer.
Kumbaya.
We all need somebody to lean on. Don't forget though, if you die, you still gotta pay Tacoma Falls what you owe them.
Have you ever played on a body?
Your life is not enough.
It's not enough.
Your life is worth about what? 10,000 maybe?
We're all gonna die.
Yeah.
Maybe Josh should get full tuition.
Nobody's gonna tell you a lie. You're going to die. It's all right. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with dying.
Just get the camera on him.
Class has been canceled.
Officially by who?
Officially by me. Yeah, I thought the Lord spoke to me and said class was canceled.
The Lord said it.
Johnny, are you tired?
Oh Lord, please come upon us and give us strength. How you doing over there, Bradley?
Yeah.
The blackest white guy I've ever seen in my life. Say hi to the camera.
What's up? Are we recording our last words or something?
Yeah. Anything you gotta say to?
What do you want to say to Mallory?
Anything to your dog? I know you're really gonna miss.
Your dog? No, my dog.
Yeah.
My dog died.
My dog died too.
I killed my dog.
You killed your dog?
Yeah, I shot it.
What?
I didn't like it.
Didn't feed mine.
You didn't?
Just watched him die.
Oh my goodness.
It was an experiment.
Actually, you will know because I'm going to show you.
Sorry about that.
See how long a
I
dog
thought
can
he
live
was-
without eating. What if Nintendo just came through here and just took like everybody on that side of the building?
We got a mandolin over here. Oh.
Took everybody.
Ugh.
I will grab some. I'm grabbing the door.
Those banjo, not a mandolin. Hey, Brent. Say hi. Vincent Shield, Tacoma Falls Student Government Association's Vice President. I'm pretty sure that's the technical term.
Means nothing.
Looking for your.
Adam! Adam, protect us! We're gonna die. Adam! Adam! Adam didn't even say hi. Matt Howe!
You would think it like.
Check
if
you
you're
out,
putting it, you would
bro.
think it, like
Anything? Any last words before we all die?
It's really strange. Shabbat shalom.
BJ, sing me a love song.
We're like a big dog, boy.
Andrew, we through. Andrew, any last words? Any last words before we all die? Apparently not. That's my room. Right there. I can go sleep in it. Good. I can't. We're on a tornado trail.
Let it be, let it be.
Let it be, let it be. Anyway. Jono, any last words?
I love you, Mom.
Awesome. Well, hopefully this laptop survives the storm. And then secondary, us. So, yeah.